Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to study order by and distinct clause. So let's start the video.
So now let's start order by and distinct. So the first term is order by. Now let's understand what is order by. So order by is basically used to arrange any column in a certain order. Like let's suppose you have a column, say for a name column, with the names are say AA, BA, CA, and then it is DA, and then EA, and so on. Okay. So let's suppose you want to arrange this column in ascending order. You might be knowing that this is already in ascending order. So if you want to arrange it into descending order, that would be say for EA, then DA, then CA, then BA, and then AA. So for this purpose, we need to use order by clause. And what would be the syntax? It would be select star, or you can say all the columns which you want to display, then name of the table, select star from specific table, then write order by, and then the name of the column, which on the basis of which you want to order the table. That is, let's suppose if it was name, then we would have written order by name, and then write ASC or write DESC, that is ascending or descending. Okay, let's come over to the workbench for the demo part. Enter the password. Okay, so this was our somewhat a table which we probably used in the previous question. Let's check it out. Okay, so for that, let's display the tables present over here. So it is a students table. Okay, so first of all, let's check it. Select star from students. Let's see. Okay, I'm sorry, I guess we didn't use the DB part. Use database, that is DB. Now this has been executed. Okay, so this is fine. Now let's use the main thing, that is order by. So if we want to write select star from students, and we'll write order by, and what is it is name, and then write order, let it be ASC. See, all the names have been arranged in the ascending order. It is A, then B, then H, then H, then K, then R, then S, then S, then S, and then V. If we want it in descending order, we can straight away write this V, S, the reverse of the previous one. We can also change the column. Let's suppose we want our data to be arranged on the basis of age. So we can write select star from students, order by age, descending. C, the one with the most age, that is the oldest guy, 65 years old, then 41, then 38, then 34, 25, 24, 23, and so on. Again, if we want it in ascending order, we can write this. Okay, so this is the basic purpose of order by clause. Let's come over to the next one. The next one is distinct, if I'm not wrong. Yes, the next one is distinct. So let's understand what is distinct. क्या हुआ? कट कट, कुछ इशू है? ये क्या हो रहा है? क्या हो गया ये? क्या इशू था ये? Resume. Now we'll continue. So our next one is distinct. Okay, so distinct is actually used to filter out the distinct entries in a column. Like let's suppose you have ages like 21, then 23, then 21, then 25, then 27, then again 23, then 25. So you want all the unique ages. For that, what you'll do is you'll use the distinct clause and it will give you 21, 23, 25 and 27. Okay, and for that also we can use the order by clause if we want to arrange the distinct entries. Let's see. Select star from students. Instead of this, select distinct age from students, and that's it. If I want distinct ages, but I don't think so there would be any changes because already we have distinct entries. So what I'll do is I'll enter one more entry over here. 12 and let the name be hello and the age be 25 only. Let's execute this query. Okay, this has been executed. Let's check it out. Okay, we don't have it. Select star from students. Okay, see, we have now two people with the age 25. Now let's write this query. See, we had 12 columns earlier, sorry, 12 rows, and now we have, if I'm not wrong, it would be 11. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, and 11. That all of them, we have only the unique entries. And now for that also, if we want them to be in a specific order, then we can use order by. Order by age, ASC. And it's done. Order by age, DESC. Okay, so this is the purpose of distinct clause.
Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please do share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.